How to fix bad audio quality on Discord mobile. So here is a step-by-step guide to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and check your internet connection. You can simply switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed, or try using a faster or more stable network. If possible, turn your airplane mode on, then off to refresh your connection, because poor audio often comes from weak or unstable internet connection. Once done so, all you have to do is go back to the Discord. Once you are back to the Discord, simply go back to the home screen and look for the App Store on your iPhone's home screen. Then simply tap on it. Then search for the Discord in the search address bar. Then tap on the Discord, and if you see update option available right next to it, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. You can also check your iOS or Android system updates and update it as well. Now once updated, simply tap on the Discord app again and make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Then once inside the Discord app, tap on the U icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then in the profile section, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll and tap on the voice option available there. And make sure that all the sliders available in the voice is in the maximum mode. Then once you have checked it or simply slide it to the max, all you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Once you restart, simply go back to the home screen and open the Discord app, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.